Hey everyone, thanks for joining me on my lesson today. Today we will be doing 10 less, and 1 less. So we're going to go ahead and review what we did before. We were doing 10 more and 10 and 1 more. Ooh, I'm getting a little bit mixed up here. This is why I did it in pieces so that I wouldn't get mixed up. So anyway, let's go ahead and get started. So we'll go ahead and take this first example right here. Let's see, I don't want it that wide. Okay. So we start at the number 38. So from 38, we add 1 more, which is 39. And then from 38, we add 10 more, which is 48. As you remember, we were using the number chart to kind of help us with figuring that out. So with the number chart, we'll go back to it in a second. But just doing this from our brain, we doing one less and 10 less. We're kind of gonna do the same thing. So here 38, and then we're gonna take 1 less. So we're gonna take 1 away from the ones place. So here we are going to have 37. And sorry about the writing. I think that's as neat as I can get it right now. There you go. Should be a little bit better. Nope. Okay. So, now for 10 less of 38, you look at the tens place, because 10 less, it means that we're going to be subtracting from the tens place. So here we have 20. From 38, we're going to go to 28. All right. So let's go ahead and try another one. All right. So let's do 10 more first. So 10 more, starting from 21. What is that number going to be? Let me change my color. All right. That's going to be 31. And 1 more added to 21 is 22. Okay. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the number chart. Alright, so here we see 21 on the chart, and so if we add 10 more, it is 31. But if we take 10 less, it will be 11. Now, as you can see, there's no number right before 21 if we want to take 1 less. Well, actually, that's the number that comes before 21 is 20. So if you remember earlier, in another lesson, is that if we were in real class, we would cut these up and put these in a number line. So even though the number ends here, we have to remember that it continues over here. Alright, so let's go ahead and write in our answers. So we have 11, and 1 less is 20. Alright, let's go ahead and do 2 more. So we have 55 here. So 1 more for 55 would be 56. 10 more for 55 would be 65. Okay. 1 less for 55 would be 54. Very good. Now 10 less for 55 would be 10. And remember, we have when we deal with 55 and we're taking away 10 less, we have to take away from the tens place. So 55 would be 55 minus 10 would be 45. Okay, and we're just going to double check our number chart. So here we have 55. 1 less is 54. 10 less is 45. Alright, let's go ahead and do 1 more problem. One more. And just for a little break, if you were ever wondering what this cat is named, it's called the Dobie cat. has big ears. Very cute. It's actually called an Oriental short hair. Alright, so anyway, let's go back to our problem. We have 29, which is 1 more is 30. 10 more is 39. Okay. Now, 1 less would be 28. And 10 less would be 19. Also, I want to go ahead and point out something really quick. Really quickly. Let's see, here we go. And that is, my cat's making it very hard to write right now. That is that this is laid out so that if you were to put this on top of the hundreds chart, it would fit exactly. So here we had 29. So then 10 more would be 39, 1 more would be 30, 1 less is 28, and 10 less is 19. Now do you kind of see it? It's kind of like that little cross that we have here, or kind of a plus sign as well. Okay, everyone, that is our lesson for today. I will be assigning something similar to Khan Academy soon. So hopefully you will be able to understand 10 more, 10 less, 1 more, 1 less very well. And if not, you can always use the hundreds chart. That's going to be your tool to understanding that. Alright, I will see you next time.